What's going on, guys? Xavier here from Xavier's Marketing Man Cave, guys, and today I'm going to do a review on Payment Protect Pro. This is a Warrior Plus offer. Let's go over to the sales page really quick. I want to show you guys there is a 30-day money-back guarantee for it, and it's basically an ebook that explains to you how to protect yourself from getting your account closed on PayPal and how to get limitations, how to prevent getting limitations. It also explains to you tips and advice. Here goes Gary Sayer. Let's, before we get into the presentation, guys, I want to show you that I actually do have the ebook. I'm not allowed to skim through the ebook. He does state that, the information is copyright, and please not to even review or share the content that's on the ebook. So it's preventing me from actually skimming through the ebook. But I'm sure you guys can see that I actually do own this ebook. But let's go over to the presentation. This review is not going to be intense or a deep one because it's basically consists of protecting your PayPal account. There isn't like a lot of stuff I can touch base on when it comes to this ebook. So let's move on to the next part. Ebook. All right, ebook introduction. Creator of the ebook, Gary Sayer. All right, price of this ebook is $27. It's a Warrior Plus offer. I know that I said that earlier. And it's a quick read. It's a 59-page PDF. Okay, sorry guys, I had to take a sip of juice. Let's move on to the next one. Things you will learn. How to protect your PayPal account from the bans and limitations. Tips and advice will also be covered in this ebook. Now, I couldn't break it down in certain sections or categories or whatnot because this is a quick read, guys. If you have a PayPal account right now and you're in fear of losing it, this ebook will touch base on a lot of tips and tricks and advice, and it emphasizes on the TOS rules in the PayPal, within PayPal, steps to follow. For example, I will share one of the things it does talk about. It does talk about how not to basically accept payments through the gift section of PayPal, where you can actually send somebody money that you owe them or gift them some money, because if when you send it through that option, you can avoid paying fees. That's a major no-no, sending payments through that, because it's basically begging to get your account terminated or restricted in any way. But yes, guys, if you use PayPal on a constant basis, accept payments, whether you're in the make money online niche or whatever niche, health or anything like that, I do recommend this ebook. I'm not promoting it. You won't find a affiliate link or any of that to it in the description area. Just doing a quick review for it, just for those that are worried about getting their PayPal account banned, since there was a major issue a couple months ago, how a lot of people got their accounts terminated. My account got terminated personally. I did some foolish things. I did accept payments through friends. I think it's called Friends and Family or something like that. I'm not too sure what they call it on PayPal. I forgot, since it's been some time I haven't used it. But I did get my account terminated. It was no big deal for me because I don't really do business with PayPal to begin with. I mostly stick to direct deposits or Cash App payments or payment processor payments. But yeah, I don't use PayPal as a payment processor though. But yeah, guys, it's a quick read. If you want to stay safe, go with this. Guys, in the description area, you could get a copy of my free Facebook script. There's also some additional links over there that you might be interested in. Also, if you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe and ring the bell notification for future videos. And yeah, guys, I hope I see you in the inside, and I'll be doing more reviews really soon. Take care.